Devin.
And I'm Kelsey. And welcome to week 5 of MORT in Minutes.
Our hands have been hard at work this week.
Yeah, we've done so many things. We've cut things, we've drilled things, we've assembled things. We've done a lot this week.
Let's go see what the rest of the week has brought for the team.
Woo!
Hi, my name is Michael, and I'm on the mechanical sub-team. Let's get right into interviewing this week. Hey Alex, what have you guys been doing this week in electrical?
So this week in electrical, as you can see here, we've been working on the final bot board. So that way when mechanical's done, we can just go in, mount it, just plug everything in, we'll be all good. We've also been working on the limit switches for the elevator, so that way it can move up and down and not destroy the robot in the process. And then we're looking good.
Yeah, that sounds great. Good job. Keep up the good work this week.
Thanks, man.
Benny, it's you! What have you guys been doing this week in programming?
Alright, first of all, it's B-Dog. Second of all, we've been doing some pretty ballin' things. First of all, we've been working on our motion magic for our elevator and the drivetrain so that we can go preset distances. Next, we've been working on our Raspberry Pi and Limelight settings so that way the drivers have a better view of the field. And then I've also been working with mechanical to finalize our cases for it so that way they're better protected on the field. And that's about it.
Yeah, thanks Benny. Thanks for telling us what you did this week. Keep up the great work.
I got you, fam.
So, what has business done this week, Arno?
So we started our newsletter, and we began our business plan, and we have filled in orders for this week.
Wow, it looks like you guys have made a lot of progress in the past couple of weeks. Good job, guys. Keep up the good work.
Thanks.
So as you can see, we're pretty much done with manufacturing and mechanical, so we don't really have anyone to interview. We're on track to finishing our final robot, so let's hopefully get that done soon. I had to get away from all those cringy moments in there, so let's go back inside and see what our anchor's been doing.
Hi, I'm Aiden.
And I'm Emma.
And that concludes the 5th week for build season.
It's been a very hands-on week.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to catch us on week 6.
That's the last week of build season coming up.